All right, so when we're multiplying radicals, we can multiply the numbers that are on the inside because we know that if we have the square root of some number, let's call it A, and the square root of some other number, let's call it B, and we're multiplying in between, we can multiply the numbers that are inside the radicals but keep the radical. So the square root of A times the square root of B equals the square root of A times B. So we can multiply the numbers that are on the inside. Over here, we're going to distribute that square root of 2 to everything on the inside. So I'm going to get square root of 2 times square root of 8 plus square root of 2 times square root of 6. Now what I want to do is I want to multiply the numbers that are on the inside. 2 times 8 is going to give me 16. So I get the square root of 16 plus 2 times 6. That's going to give me the square root of 12. So now I have the square root of 16 plus the square root of 12. I know that 16 is a perfect square, and the square root of 16 is 4. But 12 is not a perfect square. So I need to break it down into perfect squares. So 12 can become 3 times 4. 3 times 4. And since 4 is a perfect square, I can take the square root of that. So I bring down my 4, my plus sign, and I can take the 4 out of the radical as a 2 because the square root of 4 is 2, but that 3 has to stay under the radical. And now there's nothing left to simplify, so we're done.